All right, new Grizzla full fairing system for the EX30 is on him now with the handles that are super comfy and nice. I have the Clark Titan pads. This is the large seat and it is quite large. It is not good for scootering, but it is very nice for seated riding. So I'm a little torn, but I did ask them if I could try their slim seat. This is their upgraded kickstand feature. And let me see, am I gonna be able to pick him up? Hold on. Let me flip him onto his nose, which can also be used as a kickstand. And you'll see the taillight, the rear handle. This, they made a system to where your mudguard, your stock mudguard, attaches to the inner mudguard, and it actually feels quite secure. It is genius. Their system is genius, and I love it. But I can see how there's gonna be people that absolutely hate installing it. Oh, the bumper. Those are the bumpers for the bottom bumpers. I will give more of an update later on, but there it is.